Colorado Chancellor issues apology after Deion Sanders' team prayer incident. Reports have emerged of a controversy at the University of Colorado (CU) involving head football coach Deion Sanders and a team practice. The controversy stems from a recent practice session where Coach Sanders brought a pastor to speak and lead the team in a prayer. This event has led to a formal apology from CU Chancellor Philip DeStefano, who addressed concerns that the incident may have hurt the religious sentiments of some individuals and raised questions about the separation of church and state at a public university. The controversy began when a video surfaced on social media showing Coach Sanders introducing his spiritual advisor, Pastor E. Dewey Smith, to the team during a practice. In the video, Pastor Smith can be seen delivering an impassioned speech to the players, followed by a prayer in which the team and coaching staff participated. While Sanders' deep faith has been well documented since his arrival at CU, the public display of a religious figure leading a prayer at an official team event drew immediate criticism from various groups. The Freedom from Religion Foundation, FFRF, a nonprofit organization that advocates for the separation of church and state, sent a letter to the University of Colorado expressing concern. The FFRF argued that having a pastor lead a team prayer at a public, state-funded institution like CU could be seen as religious coercion, potentially violating the rights of players and staff members who may not share the same religious beliefs. The foundation's stance is that a coach's position of authority makes such activities inherently coercive, regardless of whether participation is labeled as voluntary. Chancellor DeStefano's apology. In response to the FFRF's complaint and the broader public outcry, CU Chancellor Philip DeStefano issued a statement and a formal apology. In a letter to the campus community and a subsequent press conference, DeStefano acknowledged that the incident had caused pain and discomfort for some members of the university community. He stated that the university is committed to fostering an inclusive environment that respects all beliefs and that the actions taken at the football practice did not align with those values. While DeStefano did not directly condemn Coach Sanders, he made it clear that the university has given further guidance to Coach Sanders and his staff regarding the boundaries of religious expression at a public institution. This is not the first time the university has had to address this issue with Sanders. The FFRF had previously contacted CU about similar concerns when Sanders first arrived, leading to the university providing him with guidance on the matter. The broader debate. The incident at CU is part of a larger, ongoing national debate about the role of religion in public spaces, particularly in college athletics. Proponents of Sanders' actions, including the religious liberty law firm First Liberty Institute, argue that a coach's actions are protected under the First Amendment as a form of private religious expression. They often cite the 2022 Supreme Court case Kennedy v. Bremerton School District, which ruled in favor of a high school coach who engaged in a private prayer on the field after games. However, opponents argue that the coach-player dynamic at a public university creates a power imbalance, making it difficult for players to opt out of religious activities without fear of negative repercussions, such as losing playing time or being ostracized. The debate hinges on the fine line between a coach's right to private expression and the constitutional prohibition against government-sponsored religious activity. As the situation unfolds, it remains to be seen how this will affect the University of Colorado football program and what, if any, lasting impact it will have on Coach Sanders' tenure. For now, the university has doubled down on its commitment to its policies on religious neutrality, and the chancellor has attempted to mend the divisions created by the controversy.